Come, chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Come and believe because I like my dreams. Red, gold, and green.
This is Jerry. He came to see the show on Saturday night and he enjoyed it so much that he gave me a signed photograph of Buddy Holly and the Crickets from Australia in 1958. Thank you so much, Jerry. I will cherish this forever.
Where are we going?
First watch?
Oh, have we been there before?
No, it's the first time.
Who were we meeting there?
The Ameses.
The Ameses. We got to see them yesterday. They drove up to come see the show. Drove down. They drove down to come see the show. You're right. Michigan, Grand Rapids.
Where's that?
That's where we met and got married. This general vicinity. Been very fortunate in this contract that we haven't had any 5-show weekends up until this point, but this weekend is our only 5-show weekend, and I am exhausted. Wiped. We got 2 more shows to do today, and I am ready for adventure.
By ready for adventure, do you mean nap?
Yeah, by adventure I mean nap. I need a good nap, but not that kind of nap.
What?
That's what you call it when you make the sound of somebody slapping you for them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You call it a nap?
A nap, yeah. As a stage combat term for all you aspiring actors out there who haven't taken stage combat classes yet, do recommend some stage combat. Okay, bye.
Chin camera guy. So nice to see you.
You too.
Bye. Good to see you.
You too. Thanks for coming out. Hey guys, where are we going?
Indiana State Fair!
Woo! Howdy. How much is it? $13. Do you guys take card? We do. Great. Pulled pork nachos, roasted corn. Ooh.
Welcome State Fair. Guess what? When I walked in here, I saw a giant cutout of Donald Trump, and it wasn't against him.
Red State. Pizza on a stick looks incredible.
From the whores on 7th Avenue, I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome I took some comfort there.
Take it away, Chris. It's your solo. Can I just do a 16-ounce wheat upland?
It's a deep fried PB&J. What are we doing?
We're standing in line. I don't know why. I don't know what for.
Some guy named John.
John?
Yeah, John
I think he's the mayor or something.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, maybe he's the mayor of Indianapolis. I don't know.
Play guitar, I think.
Yeah.
I think he's good.
We'll see. Cuckoo. Never heard of him, but yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
This next song is a song that's coming next.
We were so excited when we found out that John Mayer was coming to town and playing on a Monday night, which is our only night off. And it meant even more to us because we're an actor-musician show. Everybody in our cast plays instruments. And John's band is just so incredible. I mean, look at this guy. To see John Mayer in concert since I was 15 years old, and I've never had the chance to until now. I'm so glad that Justin realized that he was coming and took the initiative to get tickets and just set the whole thing up for us. It was awesome. In between sets, I bumped into some friends from college, Josh and Alyssa Thayer, who I didn't remember live in Indianapolis.
It's gonna send me to my knees. Thank you so much. Thank you.